Oh my god.
Oh. Should we go try that?
I would love to see you ride a motorcycle upstairs, Ken.
Oh man, I could maybe do a pit bike.
We're going to pick some up in about an hour or so.
Say less. That's a great transition.
5,500 up door.
Good deal for us. Everyone's trying to upsell the shit out of these things.
Dude, come on.
Alright, but we're gonna need Ryan.
Oh, God. Holy shit, that thing's heavy.
Everybody grab a corner. We got this. Lift with your back.
Oh,
Jeez. Easy. Come on, Ken.
Come on, Ben.
To think that we almost considered getting forklift certified for this.
We were talking about maybe getting forklift certified though. So what you guys are looking at right now is quite possibly harder to come by than gold these days. These are literally gold finds. We posted an Instagram story the other day because you can't find pit bikes anywhere.
Listen.
Everywhere is pretty much sold out. And people were trying to sell us their clapped out pit bikes for like 1,500 bucks more than you can buy a brand new one.
Ken, Ryan, I have good news for you guys. Since you are the only two without pit bikes, these are gonna be yours.
Let's go!
Can you ride them? Can you ride them?
People are just gonna be satisfied with you hitting trees. These are a hookup from Meatus Tires. It's a European tire brand. These are so meaty.
As a comparison, let me just show you this.
You
versus the guy she tells us not to worry about.
You guys are jumping right into it, huh?
Having trouble getting gas in them.
I drive an electric car. I'm not used to this bullshit.
And that's not helping your cause, buddy. It's supposed to go in the tank, not on the ground. Nice. Not bad.
Yeah, I'd wipe up your engine.
We don't need you starting on fire, Ken. And you have to ride up the stairs, that's right.
No, you need to be on.
You gotta get on the bike, Ken.
I don't think this is gonna work.
Yeah, it will.
Give him more
I
power.
don't have this much balance.
Sit on it, Ken.
Sit down and just ride.
Oh, there you go, Ken.
Alright, we're just gonna...
Here, hop on it.
I don't know what I'm doing here.
Ken, you shouldn't open your mouth.
I know I should have opened my mouth.
Jeez, Ken! Ken!
We'll call that one quits.
Jesus, Ken. Oh, you bent the fucking peg.
Oh wow, who would have thought that was gonna happen?